What's up everyone, it's Jay here, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to take a chicken and make a simple but flavorful stock that we're going to make into two iconic Filipino noodle soups. One is called Mami, which is kind of like a ramen with all of the toppings and the long egg noodles. And the second one is called Sopas, which uses macaroni and a creamy broth. Now both of these are very super delicious and really easy to make because I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
So the first thing we're going to do is cut a thumb-sized piece of ginger and a whole yellow onion in half. Add it to a dry cast iron skillet on medium-high heat and char the surfaces. This is going to release some of the flavors that are going to make the broth more complex in a relatively short time. This is similar to the process of making a Vietnamese pho, with the addition of a few more aromatics. So we're just going to turn the pieces over so you get a good char on all the sides. And if you have a gas range, just put them straight on the flame. Once they're good and charred, remove them from the pan and set aside. In a large pot, place a whole chicken and fill with water until it just covers. Bring the water to a boil and gently skim out the scum that rises to the top. Alternatively, you can also let the chicken boil for 5 minutes, remove and rinse the chicken and the pot, refill with water and bring to a second boil. Now usually this will ensure a more clear broth, but if you're in a hurry, just do the skimming method. Once you've removed the scum, turn the heat down to a gentle simmer, add the ginger, onion, a tablespoon of whole black peppercorns, and a couple of bay leaves and set your timer for 1 hour.
So at this point we have a really nice and flavorful chicken broth that we can use for either the Mami or the Sopas, depending on where we go from here. Or you can pop it into the freezer and use it for whatever you need a chicken stock for.
After an hour, you will have a tasty chicken stock with a perfectly usable chicken with plenty of flavor. Carefully remove the chicken from the pot and transfer to a sheet pan or large dish where you can remove the meat. Season your chicken stock to taste with some salt and soy sauce. And when you get it to where you like it, it's ready to use. Now let's start by making a bowl of chicken Mami. For chicken Mami, we're going to boil some Mami egg noodles or ramen according to the directions, strain and then put into our serving bowl. Now the toppings we're going to use today are fairly simple and common. Today we're going to use some firm tofu, shredded carrots and Napa cabbage, shiitake, and chicken. Top with scallions and you're done. Now typically either with the beef or chicken version of Mami, the flavor is mostly defined by the bones, or in this case, the chicken. Seasoning the bowl to taste is usually done by the diner and will include soy sauce, Maggi, white pepper, chili oil, or spicy vinegar. So let's say you have this broth handy and you want to make a quick bowl of sopas. Put it into a small saucepan and add a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Now you can adjust it to taste with some salt and soy if you like until the flavor is perfect. Now this time we have macaroni pasta in our bowl, and we're just going to do the same toppings as we did for the Mami. Now if you really want to make this Pinoy style, add some sliced hot dog as well. The milky broth with the macaroni is such a comforting combination that I'm sure you're going to enjoy.
So that is our recipe for our special 2-in-1 episode for Mami and Sopas. Take this recipe, make it yours, and have fun in the kitchen, which brings me to my question of the day. Which one are you going to try first, the Mami or the Sopas? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. So until next time, we'll see you later.